On today's video, I'm going to show you my progress that I've done on the cabin slab formwork. I'm just sticking some stakes in to hold the formwork, getting ready for the concrete to come in the next few weeks. Using a string line to mark out my levels and also mark out how straight the slab's got to be, because I'm using the formwork ply. So the boards I'm using it's a formwork ply board. What I bought was like a 2.4 meters by 1.2 meter plywood, and I just cut that into strips to get the formwork that I need. So in total, I think I only used three formwork ply to do the whole slab. If I had to buy LVL timber or formwork timber, proper ones, it's going to cost me thousands just for a one-off job. For me, the cost of using that material would be cheaper than buying, 2-inch by 4-inch timber. That's long stretches for only a one-off job. I just use the formwork because you just cut it to your size that you want. The only thing is it's a bit flexible, but if you put stakes in it at every meter, it still should stop that flex in that wood. As you can see over here, I put heaps of stake and it's relatively straight. But if there's a bow in there or in the wood, I just put an extra stake in there, just to make sure it's straight. So what I've done was, so obviously the board that it came in 2.4 meter long, and I just cut an extra backing piece for it, and I just put 4 screws in the back of it, and I put the stake behind it so you won't move. So that there is pretty solid. I'm going to put another stake here every 800 to 900 mils, and that should hold it. So the corners, I use the same formula as the plywood, but I just put extra pieces on the back of it, and I put a brace in there just to stiffen it up for transportation. Obviously I'll take that off when I start pouring the formwork, and I just backed it up with like extra piece of wood on the back of it to stiffen it up, and I use that as my guide as well, to make sure that everything's all squared, make sure everything's all leveled. I use that as my make sure my slab is 90 degrees instead of mucking around it while I'm on the job. How I worked it out, I just used a square ruler, or you can use 3-4-5 method if you wanted to, but I'll just use a square ruler. It's easy. Put it up against it and screw it in place. Update on the slab is about 80% done. The stakes are in. I just got to put the road base in, which is what's going to give it the volume and the height that I need for the slab. So it's going to be about 100 mils thickness in the that dust. 100 mil thickness in the road base. And I will just take out that section over there out on the north facing wall there. That will come out. The truck will reverse and dump its load in here. Then we will spread it out best we can, and we'll compact it with a compactor, and just to make sure that the foundation is 100% solid before we start pouring any slab on it. Next week we'll come with the road base and the metal mesh. So that mesh that we're going to get is just get it from down the road, from 9 to 10, and we'll put, I don't know, how many sheets you reckon we need? About 6, maybe 6 sheets. We will do it, because if I can get the road base in plus the mesh the following week, which is 2 weeks time, I can organise all the boys and that to come out, and we can do the slab pour. Yeah, it will be exciting with the second slab on the farm will be done. Rain's coming in. Look. Now I have to test my drainage. It's going to drain. just making sure that the drainage on the property is all the water's drainage is done correctly, you know. But you know, as farmers, we love the rain like this. Green, luscious green grass. We had a drought last year that went for like ages, but this year seems to be a good year in terms of grass, the rain. So hopefully in the next few months we can get some cows, and then when we get some cows we might post it up as well. So yeah, stay tuned because we might get some cows soon. Got about 10 tons of soil, not soil, road base, sorry. Hopefully that would be enough. If it's not enough in terms of getting our height that we need, he's got another 6 tons of sand, and that sand would also stiffen up that that base for the foundation. The reasons why I put the bricks against the slab is to create a L-shaped sort of slab. So when we put the road base on, we'll come against the brick, and that would give, and I'll compact it, and then once it's all been compacted with the road base, I'll just remove the brick so it has an L shape. But it's just only a temporary measure that I put in there just to help me getting the road base leveled. I'm gonna start leveling the slab and then work out if I need an extra 6 tons of sand, but at the moment I think from the looks of it, it should be good.
How did all the road base go?
Yeah, good. Just finished the road base, flattened it all out, ready for compaction. So
how long did it take you?
Time's in there. About 4 hours to flatten all that.
It's harder than it looks, right?
Yeah, very hard, but you know, you gotta do it. So after that, we'll get an excavation. Step like that, that's how we want. So when we concrete, we just In today's video, I'm going to show you progress I made on my concrete slab for my cabin.
Concrete slab formwork. Do it again.
Hi guys, today I'm just going to show you the progress I've done on my cabin slab progress formwork. I'll do it again. I know what to say. It's just got to come out.
Do you want me to say
No,
it so you can
no,
say it
it's not going to help me, babe.
Okay.
Hi guys, on today's video I'm going to show you a quick update on the concrete slab formwork. That's it.
Do that one more time. Exactly that. One more time.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick progress on today's job. Oh, shit.
Stop saying hi guys. In today's video.
In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick progress of what I've done on the slab. No, you got me stuffed now. Bloody hell.
Sabok. Sabok just say, in today's video,
In today's video.
show you my progress.
Hi guys. On today's video, I'm going to show you the progress I made on my concrete slab for my cabin. That's it.